Welcome to Jade Colors. This is my first video, and since Valentine's Day is coming up, we are going to draw Kissy Emoji. Are you ready? Today, for my guest, I have my mom. First, you're gonna take a bowl. Now put it up. You're gonna put a dot right there. And then right here. That line. That dot to that dot. Your turn.
Gonna eat cereal out of this bowl tomorrow?
No.
So I go dot, and then I just connect?
Yeah.
That good? Like that?
Put it up. Yes.
All right.
Okay. Now we're going to draw one circle right there.
Okay. Is this an eyeball?
Yeah, so just draw one circle right there. And then you're going to draw a big circle right there. And a little circle right there.
That good?
Yeah.
Okay. Next?
Now we're going to fast forward this part and we're just going to color in that, but leave the circles white.
Okay.
Now we're going to draw the other eye. Big circle. Big circle.
We fill it in again?
Yes.
All right.
Now we're going to draw a heart in between these two lines.
Oh. Does it matter what angle it's at?
It just needs
So if I
Yeah,
have that
and then
happens, can I just close it in?
yeah, like that.
Okay, cool.
Now we're going to draw the mouse, which is a 3.
A
That.
3?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that good?
Yes. Now to make it kind of look like the heart is coming off, we're gonna make a shadow. So kind of draw that. A little rainbow line like that.
That goes around the heart?
Not all the way though, just on this side.
Okay, so would mine go like this? Like that?
Yes. And
Okay.
then color in this.
Color in the shadow?
We're gonna do the same thing with the 3, but for this one we're gonna trace the whole thing like that.
On the inside of the 3?
Yes.
Okay.
That.
Oh, mine wasn't very good. That's
And now
okay.
we're gonna connect it.
Okay.
And then shade it in.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, what
That's
next?
it. That's it.
Is there a nose?
No.
Eyelashes?
Yes, you can add all the details you want.
What about like a little nose? Or no? Is the nose not good?
No.
Freckles?
Yeah, you can do it. Freckles. Time to color.
Woo!
you want, you guys can color the same as us. If we're going too fast, you guys can always pause the video. At the end, you can copy us.
Hey, if I want to make their eyes a certain color, which part do I color?
If you want to, you can like color this part.
Okay, maybe just like outline it or something?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you guys think?
Oh yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, you can, right?
Hey guys, if you like my picture, smash that like button.
This video, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel.